Good morning and welcome to ABC News. I'm your host, Jonathan Johnson, and today we have some very exciting news from the field of science. A doctor in Japan's Kyoto University, Shinya Yamanaka, was just awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine for his research. We take you now to Joe Smith, who's at the Kyoto University, to give us a brief description of Yamanaka's work. Thank you, Jonathan. I'm happy to be at the beautiful Kyoto University today. Yamanaka's research here at the university centers around pluripotent cells. When we were babies, we all started out as a little embryo made of a bundle of cells, and now those cells have grown and divided to make up what we are today. That little clump of cells in the embryo has formed every cell in our body. This means that embryo stem cells have the ability to become any type of cell. This makes them extremely valuable for science and medicine. The major issue that has plagued scientists for years is that in order to collect these valuable cells, scientists have to destroy human embryos, effectively destroying human life, which is not ethical. This is the problem that Yamanaka's research looked to solve. Yamanaka developed a way to turn the adult cells in our body back into cells very similar to the embryonic stem cells, called iPS cells. I won't go too far in depth, but he activated specific genes in our cells that turn them into these iPS cells. This process is ethical and allows us to use the iPS cells as if they were the coveted embryonic stem cells. He's inspired to research this topic after seeing the successful cloning of frogs by John Gurdon. The applications of the iPS cells are incredible. The most notable applications are that they can be used to study and grow specific organs and track how they develop. They can be created from diseased cells to study how disease progresses, and they can be used to streamline the process of drug testing and drug creation. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Back to you, Jonathan. Great to hear from you, Joe. That research seems very interesting and impactful. Now to our next story. Martial law has been ordered in South Korea. Dun dun dun.